There are multiple options of tools available in market for interviewing. At first we had Facebook Live, where you could have called up another guest and could have interviewed them and streamed it live on Facebook. But unfortunately that option has been taken away, so we don't have that option anymore. So now the number one option that we train our students for is StreamYard.com, which we have found to be very efficient and very accurate and very to the point and use of our students. Very easy to use, no installations required and no prior knowledge required as well. If you can operate a computer, you can operate the StreamYard. After that we have Coffee.tv, which is under development and it should be out there anytime now. It is an excellent platform. The StreamYard has this limitation of 20 hours interview per month, and Coffee.tv is yet to be announced. And then we have BeLive.tv, just like that. So BeLive and StreamYard has their limitations. We are waiting. Once Coffee.tv is out, we are going to recommending you to that platform as well. But for now, we are recommending StreamYard to our students because it's very easy to use and it empower you with a lot of functionalities like titles and banners and this and that can help you build up the quality of your show. We have separate course for StreamYard. You can go and visit there and check out all of the functionalities that StreamYard has and get familiar to it, because this is what we are going to be taking interviews in our training course for. Thank you so much.